Hello, hello. Happy Saturday. Hope everybody had a great holiday weekend. No, it ain't even a weekend. What's today? Today is Saturday. Duh. It just feels like it's the week during the week. Anyway, today is day 2 of the Clean 30. I started off good yesterday but ended off badly. But today is another day. So I'm starting off. Normally I start off with a green tea, but it's Saturday. I don't feel like it. I'm going to just go ahead and have my coffee. I put collagen in my coffee, and collagen is used for your hair, nails, and skin, and joints as well. So this is the coffee I use for people that are new. Let me get this down. Go and check out this video, my top purchases for 2020. It's up now. I use Purity Coffee. I do have a video on it, so I'm not going to get too into detail of it, but I do like it. It's no chemicals, pesticides. It's third-party tested, no mold. I didn't know coffee has the highest content of mold. A lot of the stuff you see on the counter, so just go read about Purity Coffee and see what they're about. But I like the coffee, and this is all I drink. And the same with my teas. These are the 2 collagens that I use, but I think I have videos on this, I'm not sure, but you can buy, if you want to purchase store-wise, you can. But I use Perfect Keto collagen. It's clean. It's a good brand and company. This one is, these 2 are owned by the same company. It's just one has MCT oil in it. And the protein is not as high. And you get more with the equip. So I use this. And then these finally came back into stock. So during the sale, Black Friday sale, I stocked up. So I like this one better. I really don't need the MCT oil, but as you can see, this one has 15 grams, where the other one is, I think, 9. And this one doesn't have MCT in it, and it helps with bone and joint support. It's grass-fed, protein source, healthy for healthy hair and skin. So I need this, especially with me having arthritis and stuff, and I don't need no hair falling out, because a lot of people said when they get on keto, their hair starts to fall out. You know, their hormones is shed. So yeah, I wanted to get on top of this. So yeah, I put this in my coffee. I get the unflavored. They do have flavored because I could put it in my bone broth as well. And it dissolves good, and it really does not have a flavor. So this is it. I use collagen in my coffee. So for right now, for sweeteners, you can use nothing, or I use monk fruit or coconut sugar. Coconut sugar gives it more of a sweetness to me than monk fruit. It does have carbs, so most of the time when I'm carb strict, I just use 1 teaspoon, or I just use my monk fruit. But coconut sugar does not spike your insulin. It's low glycemic. So organic coconut sugar is good to use on low carb and keto. Then I use Navita's organic cocoa butter. I wanted to see if it would give it more of a chocolate taste. It gives it more of a cocoa butter taste. Some people put butter in their coffee, which is good too. But I wanted something with a little bit of flavor to add to my coffee. And so I do use this cocoa butter, but you don't have to use any butter. You could just use cream, heavy cream, your sweetener of choice, or use chocolate powder. So I did get this. It's a drinking chocolate with a kick of mocha. It's by Numi. Again, you know, just try different things. I saw it up there and thought it would be interesting. you know, to give my coffee a little bit more flavor. So this is, they had several ones. So this is organic, 65% dark chocolate mocha. So I use that. And then last, I used nut pod. I've tried the vanilla and I'm working on the hazelnut now. I do, and I like the caramel. So they do give it taste. You can get the refrigerated or unrefrigerated. I got the unrefrigerated kind, so I buy several at a time. It's unsweetened and it's dairy free. And so yeah, they're pretty good. And as you can see, it's 1 tablespoon is only 10 calories. It's no sugar, 1 gram of fat. So yeah. And then these are my supplements I take every day. I take 1 apple cider vinegar pill every day when I get up, and I drink my green tea. And I also take an electrolyte just to have some balance. I also put sea salt in my coffee as well for electrolytes, because you know, you lose so much. You constantly drinking water and stuff, and you peeing out your salt, and especially if you're working out as well. And so these are in pill form, and I just really started taking them. So after I see when I'm working out, I do have a flavored electrolyte that I use when I'm working out. I put it in my water, but yeah, it's pretty to the point with the ingredients. But I don't put this in my coffee. These are just my supplements that I take every day. The only 2 supplements I take every day, but everything else I showed you is what I put in my coffee every single day. So, you know, you can go to the store. Primal Kitchen has a collagen, and just see which one works for you. And if you like it, you got to give it some time to work. But the stuff that I showed you is what you can use on a low carb keto meal diet, whatever you want to call it. It's not really a diet. You could use monk fruit or stevia or erythritol people use. I don't like stevia because I don't like the taste, and I'm okay with using coconut sugar. You know, especially if you're not bringing in a lot of carbs. I have room for it. And this right here, I use a tablespoon. This calls for 2. I'm trying to see because of the fat in it and the carbs. I only use a tablespoon, so they give me 4 carbs and less on the sugar. 2.5 on the sugars. So that's why I only use 1 tablespoon, and that's all I need. I just want the flavor. And I probably won't buy that again because it has so many extras in it. And then I pour it in the blender and mix it up, and this is what you get. Or you can get a little frother. I see a lot of people with those. I want to get one of those. But until now, I just use my blender. And this is my coffee. And this is a 1.5 cups of coffee. So yeah. So anyway, go check out my videos. I have a lot of new videos up from the holidays. Go check them out. You know, I got my Gucci sneaker, my first Gucci pickup, my Hannah pajamas. So go check it out. And with that being said, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Hit that like button on the way in. Click that subscribe button if you're not, and click that notification bell. And until next time, you know what it is. I'll see y'all later. I'm back with my first meal. I have some cheeseburgers. They are made with heritage ground pork and ground steak. And I put cheese. I mixed different cheeses in it. and I cooked them in the air fryer the other day. So I'm eating that, finishing those up. I have some onion, some avocado with some pepper and Italian seasoning. I put on my burger Primal Kitchen steak sauce. It's really good, and it's unsweetened. Very good ingredients. And then this salad mix. I think it was a Spanish, one of those bags that comes with different mixes, and then it's like a kit. But I don't use the dressing or anything like that. I just mainly use the salad. So this is my first meal, and then dinner. So I will see you later. This is a New York strip steak cut up with onions and avocado on the side with a Asian salad kit, just the vegetables with Primal Kitchen sesame ginger salad dressing.